What up, guys? Today is a Friday. Beautiful day. Beautiful weather. That's why I have these glasses on. And you might be wondering, like, dude, those glasses are pretty gay. It's because they're my wife's. And, like, even though they're my wife's, they're, like, totally made for both sexes. They're totally unisex. So, like, drop it. Seriously. I'm gonna finish that wall today, and I'm gonna start on the last bit of flooring I have left under the passenger seat. Alright, so the outer wall to the left is finished. As you can see, this is all very neatly fitted and ready. So yeah, looks pretty good, if I say so myself. The inner wall to the right is finished. The inner wall to the left needs finishing, and this outer wall needs a little bit of a touch. But yeah, this wall is taking me way longer than I thought it would. Mainly because I want to do it well. I'm in no rush. So, but right now I'm going to rip out that seat over there and put some flooring down there. Get a little bit of change of pace from always doing that wall. every single time. Perfect order. Starts every time, it always has. Previous owner said that if you let it charge for about 2 or 3 minutes, always starts. It's amazing. Amazing piece of machinery these old Mercedes is. Alright, we're gonna do something new. I have my brother, Ese, with me. I haven't checked out anything that's in here. This is kind of like Storage Wars. Me and Hazel are always watching Storage Wars. We're gonna take everything out, see what I'm throwing away, see what I'm keeping. And it's actually so big that we have some ideas of maybe you can make some kind of activity space down there. I don't know. Let's check it out. Is it too close? Is that hand?
Ja. Spice rack.
Spice rack.
$5.
We're gonna count everything. Trash. Spice rack. If someone wants them, too late.
Keep the carpet.
Yeah, we can keep the carpet. That's true. Yeah, inside.
Sure. This says max weight 100 kilos, so you can't have any friends over it?
No, I can't have any friends. I can try it. Let's see. Does it work? It does.
My seat. The cup holders.
Yeah, because okay. You want to try it?
Oh,
It holds. Cheers. They look good. Keep.
$12.
Let's use it as trash.
Trash? Alright.
Yeah. Just use it as a trash.
You could keep it for keeping meat if we're going to cook something. Part of the fishing boat. Maybe we find the rest. Carbon fiber. Probably never been used.
Yeah, it looks like a carbon fiber fishing rod. Let's keep it for a bit. Wait. There's one thing.
What?
Put it up.
Oh, not brand new.
I think it is brand new, but it bumped it into something.
Fuck it, throw it away. Right?
Yeah.
With 4 legs.
Another table.
Keep out.
Keep, yeah.
These are proper chairs.
Sturdy chairs.
Lekker te hessen.
Nee. Kun je het hebben?
Jo. Keep out.
Pretty good chairs, huh? Keep. Sweater. Throw that away.
See if it fits.
Absolutely not.
Still with bubble wrap.
Okay.
Alright.
This is under the,
Yeah, for the burners, right?
yeah, on top of the burners, right?
Yeah. Like
Burners
the catch
and-
plates.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's in bad
It's pretty,
shape.
yeah, it's
Yeah,
pretty,
it's in
it's a
bad shape.
cool idea. I wish it was looking better, but yeah, I'm throwing that away, I think.
Yeah.
I think this is, yeah, this is a new cover for the grill. I think it's an actual tent, like.
No legs.
Oh.
That's garbage.
Garbage. On strawberry.
Steel toe boots.
Size is it?
Size 44.
Doesn't fit me.
No?
Fit you?
No, it's too small.
My dad? Our dad?
Yes, definitely. Smell it. See if it's used.
I don't know. Throw it.
I mean, this is always good to have.
It's good to have. Strap. Another one.
Oh, that's the rest of it. Keep out. Keep out.
Yeah, keep out.
Medium.
Press. Medium. This is good for this is a quick connection for gas. These cost, I think these cost like 20-30 bucks. Oh,
Please don't be empty. That's the rest of the fishing pole. Oh, this is a
Whoa.
brand new.
whoa. This one looks nice. Brand new carbon. This weighs nothing.
That's awesome.
Sick. We'll have to Google and see how much this is worth. But definitely keeping this.
COVID.
Hashtag COVID. Someone wants this. This is toilet paper. This is gonna go on auction after this video ends. Let's start at $1,000.
Side table for
Study
barbecuing.
table. Ah.
We'll probably use it on the side.
Yep.
One of those cricket tables. Probably one leg for the grill.
Hämta så där.
Get the look up.
Garbage.
Looks rusted.
Yeah, it's
Just on the
rusty.
inside. It's too bad. Yeah, broken handle.
It's rusty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw it away. I think so.
Yeah. Hey. Ég þarf þetta.
Já, gæja. Hvað er þetta í?
Þetta er á vinnustad, nema þú, það er ekki þryggja það að þér.
Nei, er ég ekki bara að nota einsfasa?
Take it. See if you can use it, otherwise I can use it for work.
What would you call this? Fuse box? No.
Yeah, it's a work fuse box.
So I still have to put electricity on my land. I'm gonna take a photo of this and send to an electrician friend of mine. See if this is something that I could use. If not, he's gonna take it. But this is probably, it's definitely worth something. Completely fine fishing.
Halver.
Halver.
A hæð.
Fish catcher.
Hmm?
One for Aeron, the pink one. One for Aeron.
This. That one, I think. Yep.
Oh, we have
Another good one.
another good one. This is pretty long. I'm wondering if this is
It's for fly fishing.
fly fishing. And here's a fresh. This is like a fresh river fishing pole with a wheel. So we have 3 wheels. We have 3 complete sets. One fishing pole, fly fishing pole, and then like a really nice one in a container. An actual vice grip, not one of the knockoffs. It's like an actual vice grip. Oh, okay, hinges and like a lock unit.
Yeah, and then the top plate for the door connector.
This rotates then? Yeah, okay. It's a full set for some kind of door. So this is the actual space, and it's huge actually. No.
Probably both fit in there. Yeah. Plenty of room for activities.
So much room for activities. So this is pretty cool. I am wondering if I'm using this as storage or if I'm putting something cool here. I don't know. I don't know yet.
Put a window on the door and keep your kids here while you're working.
Yeah, that's true. Probably can't even hear him like up. Okay. I'm gonna show you something pretty cool. So you see the door over there? This button right here? This is proper bus driver mode engaged. So 3, 2, 1. It still works. Crazy. Come on in, guys. That didn't work.